Hi everyone, how are you all doing? This is Praveen Dure from Dijs University, and in today's video, we are going to talk about how to promote Clickbank products. Let's go! Welcome to today's video, everybody. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to choose the best Clickbank products which will eventually make profit for you. But before we go further in today's video, the first thing is we need to know why actually people are so amazed with Clickbank. When you talk about Clickbank, when you say the word Clickbank, a lot of affiliate will know this name Clickbank. Even those who are just beginning their affiliate marketing journey, and perhaps some of them not even in this industry, they would know what Clickbank is. So the question arises now, why Clickbank is actually so famous? There should be a reason why it's famous, right? So the first major reason is that Clickbank is actually super beginner friendly. For example, let's talk about other affiliate networks compared to Clickbank. Most affiliate network will have a kind of filtration system for their affiliate. For example, if you're just going to apply to that particular affiliate network, you will have to go through a filtration process. For example, you have to go ahead and sign up, and then the affiliate manager will try to communicate with you. And once you try to communicate with the affiliate manager, few questions and answers would be shared, and after that you will be received into that particular network. This is a norm in a lot of affiliate network, and it's actually a very normal thing when it comes to affiliate marketing and when it comes to affiliates getting into affiliate network. And some affiliate networks are even stricter than the others. Some will only accept affiliate which have marketing background, which has affiliate marketing background, and all this kind of stuff. Some would even accept people who actually know their things, so they should actually know at least the basic stuff of affiliate marketing. So when you are a beginner affiliate marketer, you're just starting your affiliate marketing journey and you don't know anything regarding affiliate marketing, you want to go ahead and try affiliate marketing. So your strategy is to run straight to the wall, hit the wall, and then fall down, and then learn how to get up, and then learn how to climb the wall. So that is your strategy. So a lot of people actually apply this strategy in life, and when it comes to affiliate marketing, a lot of people actually apply this strategy. So if this is your strategy, you want to go ahead and hit an affiliate network, and you want to get up and get into that particular affiliate network. So not a lot of affiliate network will let you in if you're a beginner affiliate marketer who do not know what you are actually doing. So you have to know, at least you have to know what you're doing. You have to know what type of niche you are going to promote, what type of product you're going to promote, the way you're going to promote. These are the basic stuff that you should know. So if you don't know all this stuff and still you want to start your affiliate marketing journey, that is why Clickbank is very famous, because Clickbank allows users who are like that, users who don't know anything but they still want to go ahead and start the affiliate marketing journey. They can actually get access with Clickbank, because Clickbank is pretty simple. All you got to do is go ahead, create an account over here. Once you press create account, there will be like a very short sign up form. Sign up, verify your account, and then make sure you remember your username, and that's it. You can go ahead and start promoting products. So Clickbank is that easy for beginner affiliates to get access to, and that is why beginner affiliate actually love Clickbank. So if you ask next question, is Clickbank only for beginner affiliate? Of course not, because even super affiliates are making a lot and a lot of money with Clickbank. So the next reason why Clickbank is actually considered to be very famous in the affiliate marketing industry is because most of affiliate network, I'm not saying most, but I could actually say some affiliate network, even nowadays they comprise a lot of affiliate networks. They are actually considered as this kind of scam affiliate network. What what they do is they don't pay properly. They actually promote bogus product, and all this kind of stuff is actually happening in the affiliate marketing industry. So there's a lot of affiliate networks which actually falls in this category, especially promoting bogus product. So this kind of affiliate networks are there, and to segregate from this particular affiliate network, from this type of affiliate network and a different type of affiliate network, that is where Clickbank stand up. What happens with Clickbank is that most of the product with Clickbanks are legit. I would actually say 99.99% the products which are promoted in Clickbank are actually legit products. And you might be asking me, in that, what about the 0.001? I will come to that part in a while. So why I'm actually saying that 99.99% of the products promoted in Clickbank is legit is because most of them, if not all of them, will have a 90 days return policy. Some of them have 60 days, but most of them has a 90-day return policy, which means if the product is bad, you could actually return the product anytime within 90 days or within 60 days and refund your money fully. No excuse. Definitely there's terms and condition included, but then you can go ahead and refund your money. So why would actually people put this kind of terms for bogus product? It does not make sense, right? Because for bogus product, people just want to buy the product and then you want to scam people. But when it comes to real genuine product, you want customer satisfaction. And to help with the customer satisfaction, Clickbank actually allows 60 days to 90 days return policy, mostly 90 days. And that's why most of the products here listed in the Clickbanks are actually genuine products. So you are coming back to the 0.001. Why I would say 99.99% and not 100% is because some product might just being listed in the Clickbank. So these products might be a scam product. So what happens is people ask for refund, and when people keep asking for a refund, Clickbank will know that this product is a scam product and they will actually remove that particular product from the Clickbank listing. So this is what would happen. So that is why there is actually a 0.001%. So let's get into today's topic. Since the product are all legit products, so how do you actually go ahead and choose a winning product? So let's go ahead and get into our Clickbank account. So I have actually got into my Clickbank account. So once you are into your Clickbank account, you can actually go to your marketplace and come to this section over here. Over here, you can actually go ahead and choose any categories where your niche actually belongs. So for an example, we are going to choose the betting system. So once we have already clicked there, we will be actually prompted to this particular page where there will be a list of products over here, and then the pages, there's like total 14 pages, and you can actually scroll through all this page. So there's all these products. So now we're going to talk about how you want to choose the best selling product. So the first thing that I would actually do is go ahead and sort all this product by gravity. So what gravity actually means is how many people have actually bought this product in the past month. For example, this product has a gravity of 32, which means 32 people has already been buying this product for the last 30 days. So once you have actually sort this with gravity, now the next step is for you to actually go ahead and take your time to choose and to see each and every one of the products. So take your time, go ahead and see this product. So for example, let's see this product, Z code system. So what you need to know is what is the average sale value that you can actually get. So what is actually the initial sale? So what is the average sales? What is the average rebuild total, what is the average rebuild percentage, and all these are the details that you should actually do. And this is the part that you should actually be very, very calm and take your pleasant time. Don't rush into the product, because this is going to be your money changer. So take your time and try to go ahead and see each and every one of the product that you actually like. Take your time, and if you have the budget to do so, you can actually go ahead and try to use spy tools like Adiplex for example. You can actually use this kind of spy tools to get a better exposure on what other people are promoting as well. So let's take an example. So now we have actually took our time and we want to choose this particular product. So what would be the next step? So once you have actually shortlist like 2 to 3 products that you want to do, the next thing that you should do is go to their affiliate page. So I'm planning to actually go this one, profit maximizer. So let's go to the affiliate page. So all you got to do is click on their affiliate page, and it will lead you to an affiliate product page. And over here you can actually get all the information that an affiliate requires. And also over here you can actually get a lot of promotional materials. You can actually see over here. So mostly this is like for email marketing. So what I can actually do is, when you want to promote a tool, for example, you want to promote a product, mostly the products that I promote, I will make sure that there is sufficient promotional materials. I don't want to choose a product and then go and try to Google that product and then get an image for that product. I don't want to do that. So what I want to do is, I want that product itself to have efficient and sufficient promotional materials for me to promote that product. For example, this product, I don't feel like it has the banner and all these kind of stuffs that I can actually use. So this product is not something that I want. So I can actually go back and choose a different product. Let's go ahead and check out the Z code system over here. Let's see whether they have promotional materials or not. So the Z code system looks pretty much more nice. Over here they are actually telling that, okay, over 40 sales you get 500 in cash. So pretty nice. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. They have promotional materials funnels over here. They also, let's just go ahead and scroll on. This is a big page. Oh, right. They do have banners over here, as you can see, for Russian version, for Spain version. So which means good. They have promotional banners, and then they have promo page as well. So robot promo page they have over here. So they have a lot of promotional materials, as you can see, that you can actually use. They also have promotional video sources. So these are the type of offers that I would personally choose. I want an offer which has sufficient promotional materials for me to actually promote them, because I believe that only products like this will actually go ahead and sell very nicely. So this is the product. This kind of promotional materials are what I want. So the final step that I will actually do, once I've actually see, okay, this product has sufficient promotional material, what should I do next? So the next thing that I would actually do is, I will try to connect with their affiliate manager. So you can actually go over here, this affiliate support, and it actually pops up an email. I don't know whether you can see this or not. So I don't think you can see this. So it, once you click over here, it actually pops you up to an email. So what happens is, you can actually connect to the affiliate manager of this product, or even the owner of this product. So the best thing is for you to go ahead and ask them a lot of questions. Ask them, is any other affiliate promoting this product? Ask them whatever that you want. What is the best demographics to promote this product? What is the best traffic source to promote this product? And all kinds of questions. Make sure you ask them, and the way they reply to your question would say whether they are a genuine affiliate manager or not. And if they are a genuine affiliate manager, then you just got the product that you want to promote. So usually this is what I will do. I will sort, step one, I will sort the product by gravity. Then I will shortlist one of the best selling products by gravity, and then I will check the affiliate page whether they have sufficient promotional materials or not. And then finally I'll connect with their affiliate manager and ask them a lot of questions to see whether this product really fits with my niche and my traffic source or not. If everything is good, then I will go ahead and start promoting that product and start making money. So this is actually the proper way that you can actually go ahead and choose a killer product for Clickbank, guys. So I think I've covered a lot in today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and really hope that today's video was beneficial for you and you could use this information in today's video to find your perfect Clickbank product. And thanks again for watching, guys. I will be seeing you in the next one. But before I go,
allow me to introduce the Dijs University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on Clickbank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dijs University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.